Oh, hey there. Totally not struggling with this little lug nut. Don't mind me. Oh. What's up, YouTube? What are we doing today? Well, we are rolling some fenders. So, when I have a full house in the car, the tire tends to rub right on this fender, and it actually cracked the fender, or the back panel, just a little bit. So, before, push comes to shove, let's go ahead and stretch these bad boys out just a little bit, roll them, so we won't have that problem no more. So first things first, you have to loosen all of the lug nuts, jet the car up. In an emergency, or if anything, always put your tire under the wheel or under the car. If anything fails, it'll fall right on top while you're working under the car, so pretty neat. I've never done this before, but from what I've seen on YouTube, it doesn't seem too hard. At least I hope not. There we go. Lock that up. So this is this little black knob. I'm not sure if you can see it. The little black knob extends it up and down. And then on the right side, it's like a little lever that'll angle it to whichever angle you want. Crap, this thing's tough. I'm not exactly sure what is this. What am I doing with this? Okay, I see. So the more I turn this counterclockwise, the more it's coming out and pushing against the fender. So I'm just gonna line this up, and then according to YouTube, I take a heat gun to not crack the paint, and then voila. So I just need to extend it. Saying this little black knob right here extends this part up and down, so that way if you need to shorten it or make it longer to reach where you want to, this is again. Now this little lever right here, this is to tilt the actual roller up or back and forth or whatever. So this rod right here is to actually move the whole roller either forward or backwards to put, enough pressure on here. So now that I think I got everything set up, I'm gonna roll it back and forth. Time to get the heat gun, and that way you can start the process. So let me just double check everything. Alright, so alrighty, I think we're ready. Let the destruction begin. Alrighty guys, it's getting a bit dark, but pretty much you'll know when you're done when you feel up here and you can feel like the edge of this panel is like mushed in, I guess you can say, is mushed in towards the actual outside. And you can just run your hand through it and it'll feel a lot more flush or flatter against the what am I saying? To wrap it up, so pretty much when you think you're done and you have this inside edge a lot smoother or flatter than what it was before, you can pretty much call it quits. Put your tire back on, get some fat people in the back, test it out, and we'll see if you did it right or if you did it wrong. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos.